Hey there, Teresa Easler from Connect to the Core. And today's tip, I'm going to share with you some thinking that I've had and that I've been applying for myself that's been really meaningful for me. And I'm going to call it an important inquiry that I've been engaged in for a bit of time. And that is about my mindset and how I'm thinking about what's possible and where my limitations are. So how to really expand what I think is a possibility for me as an individual and also for my business. And some of this a friend of mine shared with me a little tidbit of shifting and changing the use of the word of achieving or succeeding with the word allowing. And as soon as I heard it, it really resonated with me because the difference between the two, when you're looking at achieving and succeeding, there's about efforting. It's about a forward push to make something happen. Allowing is opening up to what's there and letting it in. And I've thought about that with my own approach to my business and my life. And I feel like it falls within, the context I use is it falls within a continuum where at one end of the continuum is an abundance mindset. And on the other end of the continuum is a scarcity mindset. So none of us really operates 100% all the way to one extreme or the other extreme. But there are different places I've noticed for myself especially, and I know that this is true for others, where we are further in one direction of that continuum or another one. And what I started putting the pieces together with the allowing piece is the more I allow and don't work so much at achieving or succeeding, the further I am along in that abundance mindset. Instead of, forcing, I am going to be number one in the market in this area. I am going to take this market share. All of those things that are about achieving and looking as what am I allowing? Where am I stopping myself mentally from having those things take place? How am I holding? What's the paradigm in which I'm living that holds me in the condition I'm in right now? And then what do I have to change? What do I have to shift in how I'm thinking? And then are there any behaviors that I intend to have take place out of that? So this is really an exploration. This is really taking a look. None of us is built the same in this. But what I've seen is if we can start looking at where are we feeling some friction? Where are we feeling things getting held back? Asking the question of what's my thinking? What's the paradigm that I'm operating in? Am I more on that continuum on the abundance side, or is it more on the other side of it of scarcity? And how do I change my thinking that I allow more of what I want to take place? How do I change my thinking? Because if we change our thinking, the behaviors will follow. And when the behaviors follow that, then the results also follow. So thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Don't forget, follow us on social media and enjoy.